Hiya, welcome to the video. Today we are going to learn about BIDMAS. It helps decide which part of the calculation to do first when there's more operation. What does BIDMAS stand for?
Now brackets is basically the first bit you do. For example, let's put it as this. There's a bracket which has 5 plus 8 in, and then outside the bracket it's times by 3. Usually we would do, well, if you weren't using BIDMAS, you would just add times whatever you got by 8. But since we are doing BIDMAS, we need to add the 5 and the 8 together.
Hello, I'm here to describe indices from BIDMAS. Indices are the multiplications of themselves, like using the powers, like 4 to the power of 5, which means you have to times 5, so you times them by pretty much times them 4 times, like 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, or 2 squared, which you just put 2 times 3, like 2 times 2, and then there's 2 cubed, where you just times them by 3 times.
Hello, I'm here to talk about multiplication. Multiplication is where you times numbers together, like 5 times 5, 1 times 1, 2 times 4, and so on. So when you put them together, like 5 times 1, I'm doing easy, you get 5. It's just times them by itself.
Hi, now time for division. Division is basically using one number divided by another number to get the regular number. For example, 30 divided by 6 would be 5, and so on and so forth. However, this can get quite intricate, as the bigger the number, the more times you have to divide by, so it's easier to times the number of the one you want to divide by keep going up until you get to the number, then you figure out how to divide it.
To talk about BIDMAS, but adding, subtracting. I'm pretty sure we all know what that is. Pretty much 2 plus 2, that's adding, like you get 4 for that, of course. And subtracting, I'm pretty sure you already know. So like 3 minus 4, 6 minus 3, you get 3. That's pretty much it. Thank you.